Now our next topic is change the order of a pinned item. Right children, page number 26. How to change the order of pinned program. Right children. So if you want to change the order of a pinned item on the start menu, just drag the program icon to a new position in the list. Okay, I will show you. Click on start button. Start menu will be displayed. Okay, now if you want to change this order of the pin program, so just you have to drag this item and you have to keep it over here. Right children, now you can see paint program is here, right? Same way, if you want to move or change the order of the notepad, just drag this item, okay, and place it. So notepad is here now, right children? So in this way you can change the order of any item, right children? You have to just drag the program icon to a new position in the list, okay? Now we will see next topic, working with windows. Page number 27. Okay, working with windows. Now here some buttons are there. First of all, minimize. So minimize button, that is used for minimize a window. Then maximize, make a window bigger. Restore down, make a window smaller. Close button, that is used to close the window. And Windows Explorer folder, right? This is for view open documents or libraries on the button, right children? So these are some information. Now in Windows operating system, you can change the size and the position of the window with the help of various operations like moving, resizing, minimizing and maximizing, right? Here you can change the size and position of the window, right children? Here some operations are there like moving, maximizing, minimizing, okay? Now we will see practically. First, move a window, okay? How to move a window. So children, step number 1, click on start button on the taskbar. Here this is taskbar, okay? Now you have to click on start button. This is start button, okay, and this is start menu. So you will see this start menu over here. Now step number 2, on the right pane of the start menu you can see 3 default libraries. Children, you can see this is start menu and this is the right pane of the start menu, okay? Now on this right pane of the start menu you can see these 3 default libraries, okay? Which one? Documents, pictures and music, right children? 3 libraries are there. What is document library? So it will store and organize text files like notepad files, wordpad documents or word documents, spreadsheets, okay, and presentation, etc. So this type of documents are stored and organized in documents library. Then after, pictures library, okay, what is it? So it will store and organize all pictures such as photographs, images from your camera, scanner, email, etc. Right children? So it will store and organize all pictures. Now then after, this is music library. So here it is used to store and organize music such as songs, okay, audio files, right children? So this is the music library. Now step number 3 is click on documents to open documents window. So here when you click on documents, okay, then you will see the documents window onto the screen. Okay, so now we will click on documents. So now you can see, children, this documents window is opened, right? Now you can see this is documents library. Step number 4, place the mouse pointer on the title bar of the window. This is documents library and this is title bar, right children? So place the mouse pointer over here. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse up and down or left or right. Children, here you have to just do dragging. Press and hold in this way, right? Press and hold down with left mouse button and drag mouse in this up and down direction or right or left direction. See, right children? So in this way you can move the document window, right children? In this way you can move the window, right children? Okay, so here this is step number 4. Now you have to release the mouse button and the window will be relocated at that place, right children? So in this way you have to release the mouse button. You will see the window will be relocated at that place. Step number 5, on the title bar click on close button to close the window. Here you can see, children, okay, this is minimize button, this is maximize button and this is close button. So you have to click on close button to close this window. Just click on close button in this way. Okay, now you can see the window is closed, right children? So in this way you can move any window. Okay, now we will do this same thing for pictures library. Click on start button. This is pictures. Click on pictures. You will see this window, pictures library, right? Just hold down the mouse and move the mouse in this way, up and down direction or right and left direction. So this window is also moving. You can see, children, right? This is called move a window. Okay.